right now, if I could. I'd hardly eat today. The only thing I have is Taco Bell.
Oh.
Who's talking to that?
Catherine.
Oh, should have assumed that. Got Thomas.
Good work.
Yeah. Kind of creepy. If you ever just look at him.
Yeah.
I don't like him.
Huh?
We're coming up on 30 minutes.
Yeah, probably.
He's really going to the bathroom.
Yeah. He always says this.
I believe it. You know what? I'm making that soup.
Let's go for it.
If I were a pot, where would I be?
Probably a cabinet.
Yeah, good call. Bingo.
What are you doing? You're gonna be quiet!
Did I do that on purpose? I'm just trying to make some soup. I'm hungry. I want some soup. Right?
What is illegal? We can't comments, okay? If we get caught, we're gonna ruin the boss's reputation. We can't afford that.
I know.
Okay, no more shows. No more shows, even with Thomas.
Alright, I know. Okay. I'm sorry.
Okay?
I think we're alright. I don't know if you heard that or not. Okay. What are you guys? What are you doing? Why do you have Thomas? No.
You guys are so dead. I want some answers.
Marco is insane.
Give my monkey back, or things are gonna get ugly.
Oh yeah?
What a rush! Oh yeah!
We weren't supposed to kill him.
What did they do? Oh my god. Oh, this is too much to handle. Oh my god.
Check his pulse.
No. No. I'm not doing that. You check his pulse.
Oh, you check it, come on.
You check his
Check
pulse. What are you talking about?
I'm not checking it. I'm checking it.
I got the monkey. You check his pulse. No way. I'm not. No.
I don't want to do it. I'm not gonna do it. I don't want to. I'm not gonna do it. Check it.
Oh god.
Trust me, he's dead.
All right.
Should we go then?
Yeah. Now would be a good time. That was it was pretty intense, guys.
Yeah, I'd say. You killed a man.
That's oh god. You know what? No, you know what, guys? I didn't kill him. I don't feel guilty. It's on his conscience.
Yeah, I didn't kill him.
Yeah, we didn't kill him, so we're good.
Should we tell the boss?
I don't know.
I think you guys should. Like, I don't want you guys to ruin your relationship with him, so better not have any secrets.
You're right.
Yeah, I guess.
We should drive away now, so we don't get caught at the scene of the murder.
Good idea.
Good job, guys. Job well done. But it's like midnight. What took you guys so long?
I don't. Hard work.
Yeah, it's hard to
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, wow. Yeah. This is great. My show's gonna be so much better now. Marco's not gonna be able to get into the show anywhere.
Yeah, Marco's not gonna be getting in the show.
No.
For a long time.
Not anywhere.
Nowhere. Not Marco. Yeah.
Okay.
We killed Marco.
Wait. For real?
Yes.
For real.
Yeah.
It was an accident.
Well, you weren't supposed to kill him. You were supposed to make a monkey form. That's all I needed.
He attacked us. We killed him. It wasn't like on purpose. We hit him in the head. And he died.
Self-defense.
Alright,
What else would we do?
I guess you're right.
We didn't get any blood in the monkey.
Yeah, well, I'm glad about
Yeah, we
that.
made sure of
The
that,
kids
yeah.
would notice that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, well, regardless, good work, guys. Yes, good work. Good work. Job well done, boys. Yes, job well done, boys. The two of you.
That's not how Marco does it. You already sound like him.
No, they don't notice those kinds of things. They don't notice.
No, they noticed like different monkeys.
No, they won't notice. No, they won't notice.
Okay. But anyway, what about my dog? Can I get him back now? I don't think we ever made that agreement, but can I just have him back now?
Well,
Yeah, you tell him, Thomas. What happened to the dog? I'm not telling him. You tell him. I can't tell him, Thomas. You do it. Your dog's dead.
kind of got loose.
And train kind of came, and
Yeah.
Manny's dead? I don't know if I'll ever be able to replace Manny. He's almost one of a kind. I don't think I'll ever find another pet that I love just as much as Manny. Mr. Llama! Mr. Llama! Here! Here! Mr. Llama! Mr. Llama! Oh, forget you. Oh, hey. I'll come back. Hey. 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 Mr. Llama. Mr. Llama. Hi.